Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks for 2025's most popular tools. Today, we're diving into something super useful: how to share a folder on OneDrive. Whether you're collaborating on a project with coworkers or sending family photos, OneDrive makes it easy and secure. This feature has been updated for 2025, so let's get you up to speed quickly. First things first, make sure you're logged into your OneDrive account. If you don't have one, head over to the Microsoft website and sign up. It's free and straightforward. Once you're in, navigate to the folder you want to share. You can do this by clicking on Files in the left sidebar and browsing through your directories. Now, here's where the magic happens. Right-click on the folder you'd like to share. A menu will pop up. Look for the Share option and click it. If you're on a mobile device, tap the three dots next to the folder and select Share from there. In the sharing window, you'll see options to add people. Type in the email addresses of the folks you want to invite. OneDrive will even suggest contacts from your Microsoft account. Next, customize the permissions. For 2025, OneDrive has made this even simpler. Choose whether they can view the folder or edit it. If you want to add a message, type it in the box provided. Hit Send, and you're done. The recipients will get an email with a link to access the folder. A quick tip: always double-check the sharing settings to avoid accidental access. If you need to stop sharing later, just go back to the folder, click Share again, and manage the permissions. This keeps your files secure. There you have it. That's how to share a folder on OneDrive in 2025. It's a game changer for teamwork and file sharing. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.